I am Ninad. In these type of questions, each figure is obtained by either sustaining the element of preceding figure as it is or interchanging a part of element or one element or more than one element of the preceding figure in a systematic way. Solution. Now in this question, both the diagonal element and the middle element move in a systematic manner. Now from first figure, first step, that is from 1 to 2, this diagonal element will shift or interchange their position. In the next figure, that is from 2 to 3, this diagonal element will interchange their position, and finally the middle element will interchange their position, and this pattern is followed. Therefore, answer to this question is option number 4. Thank you. Hello, I am Ninad. In these type of questions, each figure is obtained by either sustaining the element of preceding figure as it is or replacing the elements or rotating the elements or using use of these simultaneously in a systematic way. Solution. Now, if you look at the rightmost top position, this symbol is rotating clockwise in every step. Hence, I can eliminate option number 5 directly. Now, if we look at the right element, bottom right element, this element is moving towards diagonal in the first step. In the next step, it is getting replaced. Now, in the third step, the new symbol which is introduced is again moving towards diagonal, and in the next step, it is getting replaced. So, the answer figure should contain the symbol as it is given in the problem figure across the diagonal. So, I can again eliminate option number 2 and option number 3. Now, if you look at problem figure, we will see that this symbol has been used once and never been used in the problem figure. Hence, it is also eliminated. So, I can eliminate option number 4 because it contained that symbol. So, the only option which can be answer to this question is option number 1. Thank you. Hello, I am Ninad. In these type of questions, each figure is obtained by using rotation and movement in the part of element or one element or more than one element simultaneously or alternating in a systematic way. Solution. Now in this question, couple of elements are following a standard rule. Now if we look at problem figure 1, we will see that first this element rotates through 180 degree as in figure 2. Now this element comes down. Next one, in next step, it goes towards a clockwise direction. Now again it comes to its diagonal position as in figure number 5. So in the solution, the position of this should be downside and should be at the top. So I can eliminate option number 1. Now if you look at the next symbol, this one, this also shows the same pattern as the above symbol. Now if you look it carefully, it also moves first anti-clockwise, then it goes towards the diagonal position as in step 3. Now from step 3 to step 4, it rotates, and in the next step it again goes down. So in the answer option, it should be towards this position as indicating. So I can eliminate option number 3 since it is not as being shown. Now if you look at this symbol first of all comes towards a diagonally opposite element, then it goes towards this way in a clockwise manner and again to the top as indicated in figure 4, and then it rotates itself, and after that it should go again to the diagonally opposite position. So I can eliminate option number 2 since that is not possible. Now the last option, that is the arrow. If you look at the arrow, this arrow is also moving in the same pattern. Hence the only option which can be answered to this question is option number 5. Thank you. Hello, I am Ninad. In these type of questions, each figure is obtained by rotating and replacing a part of element or one element or more than one element of the preceding figure simultaneously or alternating in a systematic way. Solution. Now, if we look at the problem figure, we see that the shaded arrow, this shaded arrow is rotating through 90 degree in anti-clockwise direction for 3 times, and after that it has been changed by the unshaded arrow, and it should also repeat 3 times. So the next position of this should be as same as the shaded arrow and figure 2. Therefore, I can eliminate option 4 and option number 1. Now, if you look at this symbol also moving in an anti-clockwise way. Hence, I can also eliminate option number 5. Now, if you look at option number 2 and option number 3, this symbol in problem figure 2 is been used 2 times, and then it is replaced by this symbol again using 2 times. So, it has to be changed. So, in the answer figure, this symbol should not be there. So, answer number 2 is also eliminated. So, the only possible answer to this question is option number 3. Thank you. Hello, I am Ninad. In these type of questions, each figure is obtained by either sustaining the element of preceding figure as it is or interchanging and replacing a part of element or one element or more than one element of the preceding figure in a systematic way. Solution. Now, in this question, in first step, this element is replaced and the other 2 symbols interchange their position. Now, in the next step, the topmost symbol is replaced and the other 2 symbols is interchanging their position. And in the next step, again the bottom symbol replaces is eliminated and the other 2 symbol changes its position, and this process goes on. Therefore, in problem figure 5, this element is being used twice, so this should be changed. So in answer problem, this should not be there. So I can eliminate option number 2, option number 3 and option number 4. Now, in problem 5, these 2 elements should exchange their position. So the only option which can be answered to this question will be option number 5. Thank you.